Sorry. I'm excited from the whole week.
I can't bother with you. Guys, the name of the game is the soundtrack of life. We'll get different scenarios and we are to come up with the songs that will speak to the situation. Okay? The situation? Yeah. All right.
You know how important soundtracks are?
Huh?
Soundtracks are important, you know.
They've always been important.
Yeah, like...
I can't hear the Celine Dion song and don't think about Jack.
Yeah. Who?
Jack and the Titanic.
Jack, right?
That scene.
You see him, Jack, we talked about earlier?
It's not Jack Mackerel I'm talking about. It's not Jack Mackerel. I'm just saying.
But yeah, so like I went to watch James Bond this week. And the soundtrack and the music. Oh
yeah,
my God,
I
fell in love.
Anyways, guys, example, the scenario, you just got married and the song Celebrate Good Times. Celebrate good times. Come on. That's the association, right? So let's get the first scenario up. Okay, what's that? You know my astigmatism going.
Just broke up with my girlfriend, boyfriend, and he or she won the lotto the next day.
Oh, so, no.
Said I loved you, but I lied.
No, that you sure?
Yeah, man.
But she won the lotto, so you want her back.
This is more than love.
I'm going crazy, 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 just thinking about you, baby.
I broke up with you, I mean it. I broke up with you, I mean it.
I'm going crazy, 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 thinking about you, baby.
Yeah, man. She not broke up with no reason, man. At the money, kind broke.
I'm going crazy, crazy.
Are you crazy?
I can't get over you. Okay, next scenario.
No, serious thing, man. If we broke up with it, done. I feel win $1 million.
That's it? Man. Like you're not going to say, hey, stranger,
nope.
hey, big head?
Nope.
Hey.
Nope. Nope.
What you doing?
On a romantic date and you realize the server is your ex. To the left, to the left. Anything you bring it back to the left. Take for yourself. To the left, to the left.
Man, some problem. Some of it, but I'm too rich, she mix up and blem blem.
Now gone no restaurant. To the left, to the left.
Oh my God.
Bring anything you serve to the back.
Yeah.
To the left.
Start drop word long time. To the left, to the left. Everything.
Yeah.
But that would work.
No, it's my song. It's my song.
Fine.
So I say anything you serve,
right.
Bring it back to the left. Yeah, man, my version.
Okay, fine. All right. All right. Hey, see that? I might start with take for yourself. Take for yourself. Cause enough for them bad mind. Enough for them bad mind. We don't want your food, the bad mind.
Another bad mind.
Okay.
You get a bonus.
You got a bonus? Sing the one trust.
Sing the one. Stop. Sing the one. Yes. Hey,
sing his mercies and his grace.
No, only one song we play when we think about money still.
What?
That's Skilly Bang. That's the only song. Brick.
Brick from
the only song. Come to mind.
I agree with you with that one.
All the time.
Brick from brick.
That part of the song.
Brick from brick.
Just a part.
Oh, Happy Day is a good one too, yes. This is when you're handing your resignation and just step out of the office.
You must ties we have to pay now. You must ties
110? It's just 110?
One?
It's 210. Your church asks more than 110?
You order food in a restaurant and then realize you left your wallet or your credit card is declined. What a bam bam. Bam bam bilam bam bam.
How Beyonce disappear song go again? You disappear.
You don't know that song there?
You know that song there? See, something about disappearing. That's my thought.
It wasn't me.
Ah, yeah.
You said me card decline at the counter.
It wasn't me.
Said me not have cash in my pocket. It wasn't me.
No, that's it. That's it. For real. That is true. That is very, very true. Oh, all right. See it there? Yeah.
I'm bet. All right, next scenario.
Okay. Overcoming an adversity in your life. Holy person, you know. If it don't kill me, I know it's gonna build me. It's gonna make me stronger, so much stronger. So much stronger. I miss I give thanks for obstacle in the way because the hurdles teach if we jump. I wanna say, if everything did cool every day, we would know we could overcome. Cause if it don't kill me, that's the song.
You know
the best
it's gonna
song.
build me.
It's gonna make me stronger, so much stronger. Big tune. The best song to get over anything. Anything.
I love that song. Yeah.
Trust me. Baddest song. Sasko did go sleep good the night and we put him record the song.
I sleep good the night after too.
Exactly.
Yeah, man. Love that song. There
Exactly.
will be mountains.
Yeah.
The graduation song.
I just can't give up now.
All right. Wait. I've come too far.
You're gone with the song. Anyways, next one.
People keep asking, when are you getting married? As Border Cat say, that never happen.
This is not a song. Is that a soundtrack?
You never live to say that day. A joke. I'm kidding.
Is that a soundtrack?
Let's
what
get
would I
married
say?
later. Jagged Edge.
What is Jagged Edge?
Meet me. Where you go? What song go? I can't remember the song. Meet me at the
In your white dress.
Right now.
Oh, okay.
Right
I get
now.
you. Okay. Let's get it on.
Oh, that's a good one.
Ah,
I'm
baby.
getting married
Oh.
in some morning.
I'm getting married in the morning. Classic. That song was in your business? I've never heard that song that says none of your business.
Getting married in the
But if it's a song that says none of your business, I would. See it here. See this song here. What Ding Dong said.
You're crazy.
What Ding Dong said. Insert Ding Dong here. Yeah. That's it. Yeah.
That's a good one, though.
Yeah.
When your life seems stagnant.
Stagnant. Whew.
I know a change gonna come.
Oh, yes, it will.
Oh, yes, it will.
I go to the movies. Something.
Yeah, I like that one. Lisa answer
Lisa
quick.
find the one to do it like she
sing it all the time. Like, yes.
don't say that.
No, it's true. Nothing wrong.
Don't say that about Lisa.
What about our song? Lisa, know your song. See, Lisa say yes, our song. Yeah. She say yes.
But
yes.
I know.
You want to get Lisa shake her. See her?
Change gon' come.
Yes, I'm a song. Yes,
oh,
I'm a song.
yes, it will. Oh.
You don't want to see Lisa sing? Yeah. Sing it, Lisa. Oh, God, she feel the spirit. Sing.
Offering at this time. It's a very, very big tune. Okay, just bought my dream car. Ooh.
Lexus and Benz. Lexus and Benz. And the first song that comes to my mind.
You are so scandalous.
And the first song comes to my mind.
No, you're scandalous bad.
Oh,
all right.
Yeah, we can't afford the book. Lexus and Benz.
You know what I was trying to remember? The song from White Chicks. Now I wonder if I could fall into the sky. Cause you just get that feeling when you're driving.
Making my way downtown.
Exactly. Walking fast, faces smiling, I'm home.
Lexus and Benz.
Anyways, it's all right. That's my song.
All right, give it the Benz. No.
Anyways, guys, that's it for the fun and games with the songs.
My song selection was terrible.
Our song selection was.
Yours were good. Yours were pretty. Mine was terrible.
Anyways, we're going to cook some food when we come back after the break. The best part of the whole entire, may I tell you right here. Soon come.
Top chef.